afternoon everyone. So ang topic natin for today is Module 7 is regarding transverse shear. So ano nga ba ang meron sa transverse shear? So for example, una dito is yung shear in straight members. So consider natin yung object natin dito. Meron tayong A before deformation and B is after deformation. So sabi dito, consider the short bar in the figure made of a highly deformable material and marked with horizontal and vertical straight lines. When a shear force V is applied, it tends to deform these lines into patterns shown in the figure 7-3B. This non-uniform shear strain distribution will cause the cross-section to warp, and as a result, when a beam is subjected to both bending and shear. So yung normal shear natin, di ba, is ito siya, yung nag-act dito. And yung transverse shear naman natin is yung shear force na nararamdaman natin ng members natin, no, kapag tinignan natin dito sa figure natin. Allow me to illustrate. So dito, di ba, meron tayo, sabihin natin ito yung axis natin. Sabihin natin ito yung X. And Y-axis natin. So yung transverse shear is yung shear force na nararamdaman nung